Hey there, ready to master web research? Let's get started. First up, use specific keywords. Instead of best laptops, try best laptops for gaming under 1000 and you'll get more relevant results. Next, bookmarks are your friends. Save useful sites so you can find them quickly later. Third tip, use quotation marks. Searching for time management techniques in quotes brings exact matches. Super handy, right? And don't forget about advanced search tools. Google has options to filter by date, region, and more. Use them to narrow down your results. Need more? Try specialized databases like Google Scholar for academic articles. Perfect for in-depth research. Finally, verify your sources. Check the author's credibility and the site's reputation. Trustworthy info is key. There you go. With these tips, you're on your way to becoming a web research wizard. Happy hunting and see you next time.